Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm showing you how I replace the tow hook cover on a '09 Toyota Yaris, but this applies to any Toyota Vios, Gen 2, Toyota Belta, and Toyota Yaris here in the United States. So, as many of you guys know, I got this car and the tow hook cover came like this. So, in the next couple videos, this whole front end's going to be pretty much getting replaced to look brand new. So I ordered this from Toyota. It's the exact paint color, and this is specifically for the silver. If you have a different color Vios, Toyota, or Belta, I'll list the part numbers for each color in the description of this video. So this is specifically for the silver. So 52721-52110-B1. Alright, so there's two tabs, one on this side, one on this side. So I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna push down on this end, that way it's kind of poking out, and then gently pull it out, as so. And then this little triangular hook tab, so what you want to do is just push inwards and then it'll come straight out. So now I'm gonna get my new one. So we just want to do everything in reverse. So what you want to do, put this little triangular piece, do this hole right here, just push it, and then put this side in first, and then push. And that's how you replace the tow hook cover. And since this is directly from Toyota, I could tell this front bumper it's not the original bumper, it was repainted. But like I said, all of this will be getting replaced, including the bumper. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned. See you on the next one. Peace.